In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install a custom sound pack for FiveM. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So in my case, I'm going to download this pack called Realistic Gun Sounds from GTA 5 Mods. This is a forum that offers a lot of different packs, but this process works for any other sound pack. So it can be, for example, a car sound pack or any other sound pack. So I think this is the most popular one for guns. So all you need to do is go to Windows and search for Grand Theft Auto 5 right here, right click it and open file location. Then right click it again and open file location. Now just scroll up until you see this folder right here, x64, and go to the audio folder. Then go to SFX folder and right here you have all the audios of the game. So I have the folder of the sound pack right here at the right, and in this sound pack I need to go to optionals, and here we can see the FiveM compatibility folder. So I'm just going to open it, and here we have those files. So if you want it to work for FiveM, you need to make sure that those are RPF files, just like those ones. So just select them and drag them into the SFX folder. Replace them. And now the new gun sounds are replaced with the old ones. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.